Hello and welcome back to the Mocktail blog. Today we're going to make a mock tiki cocktail. So let's get started. No alcohol in this. First thing you do is you fill your highball Tom Collins glass with ice and it's been done. Then we're going to take 2 ounces of pineapple juice and put it in our jigger and put it in our glass. 2 ounces. Okay. Then we're going to take 0.75 ounces of lime juice, and I'm not using fresh squeezed. It's okay. You can use fresh squeezed if you want to squeeze them and you have them, but I don't have them right now. So with 0.75 ounces lime juice. Then we're going to take our syrups. We're going to put 0.25 ounces Mannyng almond or nut syrup in. It's just a little bit because they're so sweet. There we go. There's one. And then we're going to put a little bit of the vanilla, Mannyng vanilla syrup in. This one happens to be 0 calorie. The almond has full calories. So you can get a lot of the syrups no calorie and no sugar, but I'm using sugar in some of mine. Then I'm going to put my homemade star fruit and ginger syrup in, 0.25 again. And this is a byproduct of making star fruit chews or star fruit chips, but they're really more like candy. Then we're going to top it off with some Fresca. I love Fresca. Fresca has no calories, and it tastes like grapefruit juice. And you get a little bit of a differentiation until you get a stir stick in there or your straw. Give it a little stir. And then we're going to garnish this with mint and some pineapple. You could garnish it with any kind of fruit that you have that will complement the fruit juice you used. So let's try it, shall we? So yummy and no alcohol. Please like and share. Please wash your hands. And if you're going to drive, this is probably the cocktail or the mocktail for you. Coming home from Don the Beachcomber's Tiki Bar, or a sandbar, or looking for chocolate bars. Okay, I'll stop. Bye-bye.